my channel. If you do not know who I am Sammy Jayne, also known as IdleGirl. This is my little family, my little channel, my little squad, and I'm really excited today. I'm super excited. This has just arrived. I've been waiting, I've been tracking, I've been like on my phone like every like 5 minutes checking where is it. But I had a delivery from the United States of America. And it is an exciting delivery, and it's from Poochiez Nails. The website is the Nail Art Boutique. If you're in the US, please go check it out, and I'm so excited. I'm going to get straight into it because I don't want this to be like a really long intro, and I'm too excited. I need to get into this parcel right now. I have stuff everywhere because I feel like maybe I wasn't prepared enough for this. I just can't. I'm just too excited. I'm too excited, guys. Right, no, it's fine. We're all good. We're all good. I have some space. So I'm just going to get straight into it. I'm going to show you the box. So this is the box without showing you my, obviously, my address on the other side. Let's get straight into it. Oh, I'm seeing boxes. So I brought this for you guys as well as me, guys. I've not even told you what's in here. You're gonna already know what's in here because you've seen the tile. Wow, there's, oh my god. There's loads in here. Oh, I love this girl. I love this girl so much. Okay, so basically, let me get everything out of the box. Right, okay, I've got everything out of the box and we're good to go. She sent me so many nails though, I love it. So I have ordered some of the Poochiez Nails Realistic Practice Hands. And I'm super excited about it. I have ordered 2 for myself and 2 to sell. I'm wanting to sell this on my website. I'll leave the link to my website down below. I've already got the listing up and everything. I have had a couple of people already ask though, so the website might not be saying in stock just yet because I think these might be like, message me and I'll hook you girls up. I will hook y'all up. I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you, I just have some nails as well. Oh, these are so awesome. I'm so excited. Ah! Right, so I have these nails. We got these nails here. We also got these nails here. And she sent me like loads of these. Bless her heart. So I'm super excited to try these out on the hand. I've also got the primer. Now she only had, everything's falling. She only had 2 primers in stock. So I'll just show y'all what it's like. I imagine that these, I feel like, will they be acid free? Not for home use, keep away from children. And this is the primer. I do believe that this is a special primer. But there was only 2 in stock, so that's all I managed to get. And this is the bottle with the primer. So, now for the exciting part. Now, I don't know who's in which here. I have two different ones. And I've also already spoke to her about another order to order the other 2 so that I've got all 4 different ones for you guys. And for me as well. I mean, obviously, it's only right that I have the product. If I'm going to be selling the product to you guys, it's only right that I have it as well. That's what we're going to tell anyone who asks anyway. So, yeah. I'm so excited. Exciting things are coming for IdleGirl. Let's just put it that way. IdleGirl has some exciting things on the horizon, shall we say. So they came in these cute little boxes. I don't even know if I showed you the box. They came in these really cute little boxes, which is what I will post them out to you in as well. I'm really pleased about this as well because I was kind of like, oh, I don't know what am I going to send them in, and obviously Poochiez already had this all sorted. Okay, I'm too excited. Okay, I don't know whether this is going to be Sarah or Bella. I should have 2 Bella and 2 Sarah, but let's see. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is what it looks like inside. Oh, I'm so excited about this, you guys. Now, I just want to say, I'm just going to put a warning. It's not a warning, but some people will be freaked out about this. I already know. I've already had a few people messaging me like, oh, that's so freaky. When I first saw these, I did feel a tiny little bit like, ooh, that's so weird. Like, it is, weird because it's so real. But I'm past the weird stage now and I'm just at the excited stage. So let's have a... Oh my god. Okay, I think this is Sarah. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I want to cry. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, she's put rings on them. She has put rings. She said she was going to put... Oh my god. Guys. So, it's cold. It feels like... Oh my god. This is so weird. Well, I feel like there's some writing on the bottom. Or there was like... I'm wondering if that's to say which is which. I think this is Sarah. I'm 90% sure this is Sarah. Oh, Sarah might even be even paler than this. This could be Bella. I don't know. But guys, look. Look! The camera's not bringing this. There are going to be pictures galore. I feel like I'm going to be stepping on my Instagram game because of these. Like, I don't do that great on Instagram because I'm kind of like, I don't have any inspiration of what I want to take pictures of. Well, now I do. Now I do. No, you don't even understand. I'm in love. I can't explain why I'm so obsessed with these hands, guys. I just have... Do you ever get, like, just a gut feeling about something? And I was like... I did not expect Poochiez to email me back and be like, yeah, sure, girl, you can distribute my stuff. And she made me a flyer. Did y'all see the flyer? She made me a flyer. And I'm like... I'm so touched that she is happy for me to retail her. This is amazing! Guys, look! I can't even deal. Now, I know some people will be freaked out, but I think you're all going to get used to it. It feels very real. It looks... This is perfect for people, professionals, I think, who are wanting it for, especially YouTube. Now, okay, let me tell you how I found out about these hands. Sarah's Nail Secrets. Is that the right channel? There's so many nail tales and nail stories and stuff. I'm pretty sure it's Sarah's Nail Secrets. I will leave the link down below. She's an awesome YouTuber. She's awesome videos. And also, by the way, I know you'll never watch this, Sarah, but how cute is your man? I mean, I love it. She had her husband, I think he was a husband, doing nails on these hands. They had one each, and he's actually pretty good. He's actually pretty good. But yeah, she's awesome. I'll leave her channel linked down below. And she has a few of these hands, and that is the first time I ever saw them. And I'm not joking you just think it's a real person. Like, unless you know, once you know, you kind of know. But unless do you know what I'm saying? Anyway, this is going to be rambling on way too much. I'm going to open the others because I want to show you both sets of hands that you will be able to get from me and that you can get from Poochiez. I am going to get the other ones as well because there's 4 different ones. And this is a different one, yeah. So this is Bella. I can't believe she put rings on. I'm like... Does she always do this? Am I supposed to send like rings with them? I don't know. But this is Bella. So Bella's a little bit darker and Sarah is a bit lighter. I'll show you them both next to each other. Oh, I can't even cope right now, guys. So that's them two both next to each other. I really wanted to get Sarah because, as you all know, I am really pale and really light. And on the pictures she looks really, really pale. Like, is she similar to me? Oh, I'm paler. I'm paler than Sarah. Great. I'm pale. But it's fine. But yeah, I love it. So I just love these. I think they're amazing. I'm in love, guys. I'm so happy right now. I'm really pleased because I think I'd like worked it up into being this massive thing, and I was like, do you know what's probably going to happen? I'm probably going to get them and be like, oh, they're not even that good. But no, that didn't happen. I'm so happy and excited about these. So, I don't want this video to be super, super, super long. I have 2 of these available. I have Sarah and I have Bella available. I'm already on getting more shipped over. So I think actually like, I'm going to try and get this video up tonight as well. So I'm thinking like next week I might even have some more. So if you are interested, please do message me. It's kind of good, I suppose it's going to be like a first come first serve thing. Just for now, while I can't buy that many at once because they are expensive, but once I can get myself like in a regular movement, then you most likely will just be able to say, oh hi, have you got a hand in stock? And hopefully I will have. So this is what I'm hoping. I really want to bring these to the UK. I think they're awesome. they're really awesome. Especially Instagram pictures, YouTube videos, that kind of people, you're gonna love these. You are going to love these. I'm going to be using them. I'm going to be using them all the time. If you're going to spend quite a bit of money on something, I feel like y'all need to see it in action. I want it. I've looked all over for videos and things. I've watched Sarah's videos, the ones with the hands, like so many times, just so that I can see them in action. So that's what I'm going to bring for you guys. I am bringing these to the UK. And oh man, I can't, I'm just going to put them away because I can't stop looking at them. They are so beautiful and they're amazing and I'm so excited. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I've also got obviously the nails. I've got 2 of the primers. I'm gonna message her about primers and see like where we stand with stock on that for that. But IdleGirl.co.uk, it's going on guys. It is all going on right now. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm sorry. I know I get, oh, like, you know. So I love you guys so much and I hope you're as excited as I am. Do leave me comments and messages. Also, I have, in fact, perfect, I nearly forgot to tell you this. I've created a Facebook group and I think it's called, I'm going to leave it linked down below, IdleGirl Showcasing Poochiez Nail Realistic Practice Hand. I think that's what it's called. I'll leave the link down below for the actual group, but it's something along those lines. Basically, I'm going to be, any videos I do, any photos, all that, it's for showcasing these hands, questions about them, offers that I might do, any kind of like, when I've got them in stock, you can probably message me on there if you want to buy them as well. Obviously, I'm selling these in the UK. I'll leave the link to Poochiez website as well, the nail art boutique if you're in the US. I know I do have quite a few people in the US who watch these videos, so definitely check that out. It will be so much easier for you to get these than it will for me. Import duties, import tax, VAT, shipping, all of that is real annoying. But this, I mean, there's going to be another video for some more stuff I'm going to be selling that's like shipping or I can't even deal. But you guys know I love the US and I want to bring a little bit of it over here. And that's what I'm doing with IdleGirl. So yeah, join that group if you are interested in these, even if you just want to look at pictures, if you just want to see, if you want a bit more information about them. Join that group, I'll leave it down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this, guys. Lots more videos to come. And I will see you guys in the next video. Also, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification button. Give this video a like. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!